Hi nail friends, and welcome back to another episode of Mani Tuesday. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I created this marble dip powder nail design using Cherael nail dip powders. So let's get right into the video. The products I'll be using today are Cherael Nail Justice, Emily, and Vivian Claire dip powders. So I've already applied my tips and buffed my nails, and now I'm applying my Cherael Sky Bond to dehydrate the nails. If you don't have any bond, you can also use rubbing alcohol or acetone. They both do the same thing. Now I'm applying one layer of Cherael Clear dip powder to my nails. This is done to build the nails and also to protect my natural nails from the color. This is also an optional step, but I like doing it. Starting on the middle finger, I applied base to the whole nail and then I dipped it into my milky white dip powder. I did 3 layers of that. I also did the same for my pinky and my thumbnail. Now in a container, I applied some of the Emily dip powder and some of the Justice dip powder, and I swirled it together to get my marble effect. Then I applied base to my index finger and dipped it into the Emily dip powder, and I did the same for my ring finger. So I apply base again to the index finger and then I laid my finger into the marble mixture. I did the same for my ring finger. I didn't like the first layer of marble, so I decided to do another. I would recommend only doing one layer of marble. 2 layers would be okay as well, but too many layers of marble would eventually not look like a marble nail, so I just try to avoid that from happening. Then I encapsulated the nails with 3 layers of clear dip powder, but I only showed 1 layer. Then I applied activator, waited for the nails to harden, then began filing. This is after filing of the nails, and now I'm using my 3D stickers on my middle and pinky nail. I did it off camera because it was a bit difficult to do on camera. Then I applied my Model 1's top coat to my nails and I cured for 30 seconds. When the nails cooled down, I applied some cuticle oil to rehydrate my skin and nails, and this is the finished look. So if you like this video, you're going to want to check out my other videos on dip powder. Click the videos you see on the screen and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Bye guys!